Alright, what's going on, guys? Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to move your player around. And yeah, so first what you want to do is you want to create your ground. So let's go 3D object, let's go plane, let's change this to 2.1 on the X and 2.1. make sure reset the top, so 0 0 0. There you go. And then now what you want to do is create a player. So 3D object cube, we'll just call this player, attach a rigid body onto it, and there you go. Oops, maybe rise this a bit more up. So actually let's just leave it at the 0. Let's just leave it 0. Yep. Drag the player a bit more down. There you go. Now you want to create a new folder, call this scripts, create a C# file in there called player movement. Let's go into the script and edit it. So first what you want to do is you want to create a new variable called public float speed equals 5f column. Then you'll go to the update function, go var horizontal equals input dot get axis quotation marks and write horizontal. Then add a column, copy this line and then paste it down below. Then you want to change the horizontal to vertical, and then you want to change this to vertical as well. Then after you've done that, then want to go here, transform dot translate bracket new vector 3 bracket. So on the x-axis we're gonna have the horizontal input, then 0 on the y, and the vertical input on the z-axis. Then you want to times that by speed, times that by time dot delta time. After you do that, you want to add a column to end the line, save it, go back to your game, make sure to attach the script to the player, add it there, and you should be good to go. Oh, we should probably change the angle of the camera first. So let's go to main camera, move this a bit more up, a bit to the side. Let's push it a bit more down. There you go. Oops. Alright, let's play it and it should work. There you go. Now your player is moving around. And that's how you do it.